Hello, everyone. Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this video about crude oil, US crude oil. Okay, so let's get started. This chart is a monthly chart. I made it on the 14th January this year, 2023. This was the support, right? It was like you can see these numbers here, and it been pushed up to the upside 3 months in a row, right? But first you have a big wig, then the other one, then this one. So I said, okay, now I think if as long as we stay above 76, 79, we should be able to go to the upside. So the next chart that I made was this. Another month closed like that, and then another month started, and it's February 11th. That I made the chart here, right? And this started to go to the upside. And February, March 4th, March the 3rd, on last Friday, the chart looks like this, March 4th. And now finally we have a solid bullish candle going to the upside. So far so good, this chart. And then in the meantime, the same time actually, I made the weekly charts as well. The weekly chart I made on the 14th January was this. And then 11th February, it went down a little bit and then started to come back up again above 76.43. And then this chart so far now, you can see here that on the 4th, this is how it looks like. I made the chart, but I lost it when it was here, the TL. But yeah, so it bounced very nicely and it started to go up, right? So hopefully we will continue in this way to the upside. And last Friday, the trade that I took on this one is this one. From the 40-minute chart, nice and clean. I had this entry as well, but you see what happened here, right? So when the price goes up a little bit, I come and sit on a break even, and then boom, it comes down and then take me out. Thank you very much. No problem. So as long as you get out at no loss, that's okay, right? So and then when I had a chance, then boom, from 76.82 to 79.83, all the way to the upside, right? And obviously, this is just the beginning, so we will have more to come. But keep an eye on this chart, the weekly chart, right? And whatever system you use, the key in this business is to make the precise entry without getting in the losing position, right? So as long as you get in and then you become positive, then you come and sit on a break even, and then you don't have to worry about anything, right? So that is the key. So whatever the system you use, you go ahead and as long as it is going to the upside, yes. And if not, then you want to go to my website, creativetrading.com, and get the system, this one, and then you will be able to make good entries. Okay, see this one here, my entry is right there. It's buy order, and SL is not too far from here, and then it goes. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the weekend. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and the bell icon so that you can get my videos immediately as soon as I upload them. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful, well, I have night here. Maybe you have day over there. Okay, so whatever. All right, so bye now.